Good evening, Northeast Kansas. Thanks for joining us here on KSNT News. It's been a cooler day overall today, and that leads into a cool night as well. But the clearing skies we'll see for tonight will lead into plenty of sunshine for tomorrow, but it will be short-lived as we're already tracking our next round of rain, and a few storms could mix in as well. All is quiet outside of the Little Apple right now, and that's the same story outside of the Prairie Band Casino. It's been a much more quiet day today. No severe weather like we saw late last night, but again, it's been a cooler one. We're still hanging out in the mid-50s, 55 degrees to be exact, with a westerly wind at 15 miles per hour. Now that high of 65 you see there, we hit that shortly after midnight, so temperatures have slowly been on the tumble throughout the course of the day today, and most of the day we've been stuck in the 50s, and that's where a lot of us are still hanging out. 52 degrees for Burlington, 50 at Holton as well as Hiawatha. Already down to 46 though for Marysville, 48 degrees at Clay Center. Now temperatures overnight tonight though look like most of us will get down into the 40s. Now this model keeps all of us in the 40s, but I think some of our northwestern areas could actually dip down into the upper 30s for tonight. So it's going to be a chilly one overall. Now we warm up nicely throughout the days. We see more sunshine. I think most of us will be right around that 70-degree mark, if not surpassing it by a degree or two. Now looking ahead into Monday, we'll see increasing cloud cover Sunday night into Monday, and our temperatures reflect that, as most of us will be waking up in the 50s. However, as we get into the later portion of Monday, highs will be in the 70s, but notice how it's already slightly cooler off in our northwestern areas. That's our next cold front that's going to push through, and that could lead to some strong to maybe some severe thunderstorms. Not the case right now. The system that brought us the severe weather yesterday continues to push its way off to the north, and you can see the circulation still setting up over Nebraska and South Dakota right now, but as that pushes away, it takes the cloud cover as well, and Future Track does a good job of reflecting that. So looking ahead into tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, a nice rebound for the second half of the weekend. However, as we turn the clock into Monday, we're stopping here at midnight. We'll see the cloud cover start to increase across the region. Now notice how this model's picking up on some scattered showers and storms. This is not looking to be strong or severe. However, it could hinder some of the strength we see in storms later on. Now it depends if we see some afternoon sunshine that could provide some more surface heating, and that leads to instability in the air, which thunderstorms love to feed off of. So we'll keep a close eye on that as that cold front pushes through. It could help fuel some stronger storms later up on Monday. But again, not a slam dunk of a forecast just yet. It's something that still needs some tweaking. Our KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast shows a couple of scattered showers could spill over into Tuesday as well. But for the second half of the week, much more on the quiet side, mostly sunny skies, and we'll see our temperatures gradually return to near average levels as well.